Hey everyone, it's Kyri here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use the new card wipe transition. So I'm going to show you where to find it, how to use it, and all the keyframes. So first you import an image, go to keyframes, and then in new you will see card wipe. So basically I'm going to show you what card wipe is by scaling the progress. So some of you may have seen this transition, but it's new to Funimate. So what it does is it gets a whole bunch of small tiles and rotates them to flip to the other side. Now with one image it will just flip to the same image, but sometimes people use transitions to change images, which I will show you in a second. So let's just move the progress to 50 so you can see what half of it looks like. Now the options you have are listed below, but I'll just show you one at a time. So with the width, basically what width does is it minimizes the amount that are turning at once. So for example, say you want just 2 tiles, or you want none, or you want however many. That's your choice, but that's what the width does. The row adds many more downways. So depending on how many you want, you can have none, and you can just have 1 tile like vertical, or you can add as many as you'd like. Column, similar to the row, but the other way. So if you want to add a lot more, you can make them both the increased values, but for now I will just put it to the default, which is 10. Now what you can do is change the direction. So if you can see with the progress, it starts from the left hand side here and ends to this side. So if you click this direction, you can see it actually goes the other direction, from the start, from the left to the right. And if you do this one, it goes from the top to the bottom. Now, the axis, you can change this to vertical and random. So you can see the tiles now flip vertically, here horizontally, and this is random, which means the tiles actually rotate in just a random direction. Some tiles are different sizes like this one, and the flip direction also changes that, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you a transition that you can use with the card wipe. So I'm just going to go back and create it, add a keyframe at the start, go to 50, add a first graph, I copy and paste it. Now this one, let me unhide, go to card wipe, add the first transition, and go to 50. Now you got to make sure, because you are going the other direction, to flip it. Go back to the progress, paste it, and then flip it. So now it should look smooth. Now you can adjust this to your graphs as to how you like, and you can change the background color if you'd also like, unless you want to leave it. So that's how to use the card wipe keyframe. Thanks for watching.